Today I want to show you how to purchase an image from the website and then go onto mypictures.co.uk to purchase a frame or have the picture printed on the various media available on the My Pictures website. The first thing to do is to find the picture you are interested in. I will go to the store and select the picture I want to download. Use the drop-down to select the size of print or format you want. We want to select the image format. Press the Add to Basket button. Press View Basket. Review your order and press Proceed to checkout. Fill out your name and your street address and town or city. Include your postcode and your phone number. This will only be used if required to clarify your order. You need to use a valid email address as this will be used to send you a download link. If you create an account, your details will be saved to make future purchases quicker and easier. You don't need to worry about shipping, you will download your file. Select a method of payment, either a credit card or a bank transfer to our account. Credit cards are not debited until your purchase is ready for delivery. If you transfer funds to our account, then delivery will be delayed until payment is received. I will enter test credit card details. If you want to receive discount codes and news articles, select here. You need to agree to the terms and conditions. Press Place Order. Your order details are shown on the screen. You will receive an email confirming the order. This is an example of the email confirming your order. When the download is ready, you will receive a second email with the download link. This is an example of this email. You should download the file before the expiry date. The next video will show you how to use this image on the My Pictures website.